Hello. So the topic for today's skill test is the task tracker or the habit tracker. So this project is basically rendered in render.com, and if I show you the product structure, so it basically is a simple site that is basically used to get the track of your tasks or the habit. So the home page basically contains two options, is to either show your tasks or add your task. So let's add a task. So it basically is a simple page where you want to add a task. Let's say you want to add jogging. Click on this, add. Once it is added, a message is being shown up here. So this structure is a required field. If we do not fill any of those, then it shows a message to add this. So let's say we add a new task, running. Added, and the task is being added successfully. The next thing we want is to look at the tasks or the habits. So click on this. It shows all the habits. So if you want to get the detailed structure about a particular habit, just click on this icon. By default it is set as not done, and if you and all the details about a particular week it is showing. So we can change this. Let's say done, done, not done, none, anything we want, and it is being saved in database. We are using Atlas for database, and similarly if you want to do for running, the same thing. So we, apart from this, we can also do one thing, is that we can also delete a particular task. So how can you delete it? There is one option, that delete icon. We can delete the task from here only. Once it is being deleted, it shows no habits. So after then we can again add a new task or new habit. Let's say I give my name only and randomly add something. So those are the tasks, and also by default it will be shown as not done, and you can update this by our choice only. So that is the project, and also I also showed you that we can delete those habits also. And this project is being rendered in render.com, and that is the log file for this. The GitHub repo for this, it's up here only, and a well structured readme file is also there. If you want to read this, that is fine. So in backend, for the view engine we used EJS, and if you want to show the code, then that's the readme file. The server.js basically the server where all the server configurations are done, and while we create the server, at this place only we connect the MongoDB. And the MongoDB configuration basically contains mongoose, and we are using Atlas for this, and process.env is being used to get the data from the env file itself. So it contains 4 views: add task, details, index, and tasks. Add task basically used to add a new task, that home page to add a new task. Detail.ejs is basically used to show details about a particular task. Index is the home page, and tasks.ejs, it shows all the tasks. And there it contains two schemas, the day schemas and the task schemas. Day schemas basically used to get the dates at which days the status is done, this and that, while the task schema basically contains the task, and both of these are being interlinked with each other through the task ID. And if you talk about the controllers, then these are the controllers, and all the functions up there is to add a new task, this and that. All of those are implemented up here only, and controller is being linked with the repository, and where all the database operations are particularly done. The gitignore file basically is to ignore those files, and the others are same. And apart from this, there is a readme file. If you want to look up to this, it's completely fine, and all the details about a task are up here only. Also in the GitHub, there is the link for the project. You can simply go from this link only. So that is all. Thank you.